Hey everybody, Greg Marchand here, 0 to 60, where we teach business management best practices and service counter selling skills in under 60 seconds or around there. What are the benefits of continuous learning? Look, Tony Robbins, whether you're a fan or not, Tony Robbins, if you go check out I think it's 5 or 6 things every human needs, one of those is growth. You know that, I know that, we just know that intuitively. People want to grow. So number one, it's an employee satisfaction thing. If you put an employee in a position to learn something new, whether it's related to your shop or not, quite honestly, but put them in a position to grow their sales skills, grow their management skills, grow their production skills, grow their diagnostic skills, put them in a position to learn and grow, they will be a happier, more satisfied employee. I don't need to talk about the business benefits of providing continuous learning to employees, but here's the thing. If you pick once a year a destination training event and you close your shop and you take everybody as a group to that destination event, whether it's Vision Kansas City or SEMA Apex or ATE in Seattle or ASTA in North Carolina, wherever it is, you shut down the shop, you take the entire shop to that learning destination event, do it as a group, go out to dinner together a couple of times, you're going to see your shop culture improve, and you're going to see those employees take what they learned and employ it when they get back to your place of business. All right, just a few benefits of many benefits of learning continuously and doing some training. Go find a destination event today, keep up the great work, and never, ever, ever stop learning.